In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Salesforce password. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your Salesforce account, you know just how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, resetting your password is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step so you can regain access quickly and securely. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate over to the Salesforce login page. This is the same page where you usually enter your credentials to access your account. If you're unsure how to get there, just open up your preferred web browser and type Salesforce Login into the search bar. The first result that pops up should be the one you're looking for. Once you're on the login page, take a look around, and you should notice a link labeled Forgot Your Password. Go ahead and click on that link, and it will lead you to the next step in the process. Now, you'll be asked to enter your username. This is the same username you use every time you log into Salesforce. If you find yourself struggling to remember it, bear in mind that for many users, the username is often their email address. Once you've typed in your username, click the Continue button. Doing this will trigger Salesforce to begin the verification process, which is their way of making sure it's really you who wants to reset the password. Following this, the system will prompt you to verify your identity. Depending on the security settings you've chosen in the past, you might be asked to answer a security question or verify your email. If the security question is your method, simply answer with the correct response you had set up previously. Alternatively, if it's email verification, check your email inbox for a message from Salesforce with further instructions. Just as a tip, if the email doesn't appear in your inbox right away, don't forget to check your spam or junk folders. Once your identity has been confirmed, you will receive detailed instructions on how to reset your password. Salesforce places a high priority on your security, so be sure to follow these instructions carefully. There will usually be a link provided in the email. Click on it and then create a new password. It's crucial to choose a strong and unique password this time. An excellent strategy for this is to use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols, which makes your password more robust against unauthorized access. After you've successfully reset your password, return to the Salesforce login page, enter your username, and then type in the new password you just created. And there you have it. You're back into your account. Remember to keep this password safe, and it might help to jot it down in a secure place if you tend to forget passwords easily. And that's it. Resetting your Salesforce password is as simple as that. I hope this guide was helpful and made the experience a bit less daunting. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.